Hey everyone, how's it going? And today I'm going to give you the Coursive.io dropshipping review of 2024. Mostly it is a scam. As you can see, we're on the official Quora and people have said I've purchased a course from them. It's scam, it's like rubbish, and all of this is generated by AI and like repeating over and over. Another person has said that it is a scam. They don't refund because it's their policy and they don't teach you anything, things like that. And then as you can see, it's a total scam. They have no value, things like that, signed up for once and then things like that. So basically, if you want to learn something, especially if it's like drop shipping or any other model, I would say it's better to do your proper research and try finding a mentor rather than buying courses, because these at the end of the day do not help. And there you go. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.